Now let's talk about the switch statements. It's almost like pattern matching in Coffee, and kind of how that is, you can take advantage of that a lot more, I think, than in like ES6 or TypeScript. So let's take a look and see how that works. So let's give a percentage here of 83. This is just like a student's grade. And down here we'll say grade equals, and we have our kind of our comment here of how we get our grades. If it's greater than or equal to 90, it's an A. If it's between 80 and 89, it's a B, etc. So grade equals switch, and we want to switch on the percentage like that. And down here we'll say when, and we'll say when grade percentage is greater than or equal to 90, then we get an A. Now we're going to yank this and paste it for the other grades. We'll say when it's greater than or equal to 80, 70, 60, and then we can say here B, capital B. No, not caps lock. That always messes me up with this Vim extension. Well, just with Vim in general. That's okay. Replace B, replace C, replace D. Oh, come on. D. Nope. There we go. Okay. I'm playing around with Vim too much. Okay, so we have our letters here, and then if it's less than 60, it's an automatic F. So else, we're just going to return F. So save that. And then we should be able to, down here, console.log grade, and it should give us our grade based on our percentage that we're passing in. So let's clear this, and we're going to run it. You can see here it's an F, and that doesn't make sense because we're above an A. So let's see what we did wrong. My mistake, I looked at the docs. I don't need this percentage here. So it just looks like this. We just call switch without percentage there, and then we just say when the things we want. So when percent is greater than or equal to 90, A, B, C, D, F. So my mistake on that. Let's save it, and now let's run it. And we see we get B, which is good. Let's change the grade to 73. We should get a C this time. Alright, let's change it to like 100. That should be an A or an A plus. A, good. Clear it, and let's do one more. Let's change it to, they barely wrote their name on the test. They got a 3%. Let's see what they did here. They get an F, of course. So this is kind of the switch statement with CoffeeScript. It's very clean in my opinion, and a nice way to go. So especially if you have a long if else statement, you might want to use this switch.